Welcome back, dear students. Class 10 CBSE 2026 board exam answer keys. Set we have 3152 Science section B and C. In this video, we are describing the section B and C. And the question number 17, the option is D, CH4H8 and C5H12. In question number 18, again the answer is D, Al2O3. In question number 19, the option is C. The amount of hydrogen gas evolved is in less amount. Question number 20, the option B, 2:1. And in the question number 21, the answer is D. Now moving on to question number 22, the answer is C, C3H8. On question number 23, the option is D, magnesium and aluminium. In the assertion and reason, here both A, assertion and reason are true, because the reaction of quick time and water is highly exothermic. In section C physics, there is only 3 questions, 3 one-word questions are there. And the 30th question, the option is A, converging lens. In 31st question, the option is A, 20 centimeter. And the assertion and reason, here the assertion is false, but reason is true, because in a strong external field, the needle aligns with that field, not necessarily Earth's north or south pole. That's all in this video. If you have any other question series needed, please tell us, comment us. We will solve as early as possible. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12